Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panter. Today we're going to check out how to do some exclusion tricks in Illustrator. Exclusion, extrusion, exclusion. Alright, first step, let's select the rectangle. I'm going to go and select the black color. Press and hold Shift plus Alt, create a rectangle. I'm going to place it here. And now I'm going to select the pen tool. I'm going to swap from fill to stroke. So now I'm going to be in the stroke. Press and hold Shift, click, create a line like this. Okay, I'm gonna press and hold Alt, drag it to the right. Also press Shift to isolate. I'm gonna do it something like this. And from here, press Control D so it creates a lot of copies. Press Control D long, and it's gonna create a lot of copies like that. There you go. I'm gonna select all, right click, group. I'm gonna make it more wide. I'm gonna go to the stroke settings and I'm gonna go to the profile, select the width profile 4. So as you can see, the bottom is thin and the top is thick. Or it should be thick, but it's not. I don't know what is going on, but anyways. I'm gonna press and hold Shift, rotate it. I'm also gonna recolor it to white. There we go. I'm gonna place it here in the intersection zone. Press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it up. There you go. So now I'm gonna need to create another copy of this rectangle. Press Control C and then Control F, or you can go to Edit and paste in front. This is gonna create another copy on the front. What I need to do is right click, arrange, bring to front. Now the rectangle is on the top. I'm gonna press and hold Shift and also select the lines. I'm gonna right click and make clipping mask. So now we made some really good rectangle out of these lines. Okay, next step. I'm gonna type in something. What is it? Nexa black. We're gonna use the Nexa font. I didn't use this a long time now. I gotta go to Object, Expand, click OK, right click on Group, arrange it. I'm gonna select them all, go to Pathfinder, Unite. If you don't have the Pathfinder, go to Windows, select Pathfinder. Good. I'm gonna scale it up and I'm gonna place it right into the center right here. Scale it up a little more. Now I need to paint this white. I'm gonna make it white, and from here I'm gonna go to the what is that, transparency. If you don't have the transparency, you can go to Windows and select transparency. And we got the blend options, and we're gonna go to the exclusion. So this is the trickery trick. And as you can see, it made it vice versa. We got black lines here, we got white lines outside. Now we're gonna create another rectangle on this one. I'm gonna select the rectangle, create another one on the rectangle, like so. And of course, I'm gonna create a gradient on it. You can recolor it however you like. I'm gonna go with a blue and a yellow. Press the letter G, and so I'm gonna go to the transparency, go to the blend options and select exclusion again. Now I'm gonna press Control C and then Control F again. Press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it down a little more. And I'm gonna change from the gradient to white color. And there you go. It looks something like this. And I can do a lot more. So this is how you use this extrusion, exclusion option in Illustrator. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.